Good morning children. I hope class 9th children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. As we have been doing mensuration and we had started exercise 13.2, few questions already we had solved. In this class today we are going to see remaining question and we will see question number 3 today. So let's see how we will solve. Try to understand and try to solve by yourself remaining questions. So let's start. So we have question number 3. Just you see, a metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. This metal pipe you have and this is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter. The outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter. We need to find out inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area and total surface area. So just you see how we will proceed. First you try to understand your question and what has been given that you need to know. So we have been given a pipe and which is having height or length is 77 centimeters. So this length has been given. So this you need to know, this is 77 centimeter. This has been given. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter. Inner diameter has been given. Suppose if you have a pipe and base you have like this. So inner diameter has been given, this diameter has been given and that is 4 centimeter. So your radius will be small r, if you will assume, that will be 4 by 2, it means 2 centimeter. Then you have the outer diameter. So outer diameter means this diameter has been given, outer diameter, this one. So this has been given 4.4 centimeter. So 4.4 centimeter. So this will be 4.4 divided by 2. Your R will become 2.2 centimeter. Now you need to find out inner curved surface area. So we know the formula, the inner curved surface area, the formula of that already you know. So by putting the formula we need to find out the inner curved surface area. So just you see how we will proceed. Here we have, suppose here we will write, here you see we will write, suppose inner radius is equal to r and that is equal to 4 by 2 and that is 2 centimeter, and outer radius is equal to r and that is 4.4 by 2 and that is 2.2 centimeter. Now height has been given or length has been given, height or length of the pipe is equal to 77 centimeter. These all have been given. Now we need to find out first one, inner curved surface area. So how we will find out, just you see, we will write inner curved surface area, inner curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r h. Just you put the formula. 2, value of pi is 22/7 into r has been given, that is 2 into 77. So this will be inner curved surface area. If you are simplifying this, you will get 7 1 is 7 and 7 11 is 77. So this will be 44 and 88 into 11. So this will come 968 centimeters square. So you have got inner curved surface area. In the same way, we need to find out outer curved surface area. We need to find out outer curved surface area. So outer curved surface area is equal to, again the same formula will be applied, 2 pi, here capital R you will have, h. So this will be 2 into 22/7 into you have 2.2 into 77. If you are removing this decimal, you will write over here 10. Now we need to cancel this. So this will be 11. Now you will get, if you are simplifying this, you will get 1064.8 centimeters square. 1064.8 centimeters square. So this is your outer curved surface area. Now we need to find out total surface area. So we will write, now third we need to find out total surface area. Total surface area. So total surface area we will have curved surface area both inner and outer, and area both the circular ends we need to find out. So total surface area we can write inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area and surface area of both the end. Both the end means over here, just you see, both the end means, suppose if you have at both the end in your pipe, in this shape you will be having. So this area at the both the end you need to find out. So as you remember, the formula for this is pi r square minus r square, or you can write pi r1 square minus r2 square, as you have remembered. That formula can be applied. So a simple rule is what? Area of this pipe will be, or this figure will be, area of bigger circle means pi r square and minus area of smaller circle, that is pi r square, small r. So if you are subtracting, you will get pi in bracket r square minus r square. This formula can be applied. So just you put the value and we will find out. Here we will write 2 pi RH plus 2 pi RH plus 2 pi, because 2 end you have, so this will 2 pi r square minus r square. So here you will have, already you have found out 2 pi rh, that is 968, plus again this also you have found out, that is 1064.8, and plus this we need to simplify. So this will be 2 into 22 by 7, and here r square minus r square means r plus r into r minus r we can write down. So that will be 2.2 plus 2 into 2.2 into minus 2. So finally what we will get, just you see here, if you are adding this you will get 2032.8, 2032.8, and plus this is required to be simplified. So we will get 2 into 22 by 7 into this, if you are simplifying you will get 2.2 plus 2, it means 4.2 into 0.2. So this you will get 2 to the 4 and 2 4 the 8, means 0.84. So here you can write 0.84, and if you are removing this, here it will be 100. Then you need to simplify this, so you will get 2032.8, and plus if this is being simplified you will get 5.28. Just you simplify by yourself, and finally if you are adding this you will get 2038.08 centimeter square, and this you had to find out. So 3 answers you have got: curved surface area for inner and outer curved surface area, and finally total surface area. So in this way we have got 3 answers. So properly you need to understand the question and then you need to solve. I hope you understood and you will be able to solve remaining questions. Just you try by yourself. Otherwise we will see in next class. Until then, thank you.